Usually when you're making pesto, you would use some basil or just some parsley, but I'm going to show you a fantastic version using these gorgeous little Kalettes. Now, Kalettes are a hybrid between kale and Brussels sprouts, and they are absolutely delicious. They're fantastic cooked, but they're also great raw for a pesto like this. So what I'm doing is just shredding them, and before I place them into the blender, a few classic ingredients for a pesto. 1 clove of garlic, just bruised, into the jug. Some pine nuts, small handful. Parmesan cheese. The juice of half a lemon, squeeze that in. And I will add some parsley, so a few sprigs of parsley, stalks and all, because there's so much flavour in the stalks. That can go in along with a pinch of salt and freshly cracked pepper. To bind it all together, a really good glug of extra virgin olive oil. We'll start with 1 to 2 tablespoons, and then we can add a little more at the end. And a big handful of our Kalette can go in. Okay, now I'll blend this together until it's nice and smooth. And look at that vibrant green colour. The perfect pesto. Now this is ready to use for a pasta. You could use it as a dressing. And if you didn't want to use it straight away, simply store it in an airtight jar.